All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back live with the end of day pulse wave report for trading on Monday, July 31st, 2023, the last trading day of the month. And I am your host, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave price trigger reports. Let's jump right into it. So looking at the Bitcoin futures, you'll notice something interesting has been happening. So going on 2 weeks now, the market has been absolutely flat, but with a bearish trend momentum reading. Well, today did it. We got a negative bot check. All right. So we have an imminent significant down move on the horizon. All right. In Bitcoin futures, imminent. So definitely want to be prepared for that. Moving along, we got XRP Ripple. Ever since the big explosion, the market has been trying to correct, pull back, trim off some of that. But this is a dynamic bullish pointer. So at some point, the market will take that out. But for now, we're neutralized. As you can see here, the market is neutralized, been flip-flopping all over the place. And now finally, it's neutralized itself. So nothing to do for tonight into tomorrow for XRP Ripple. Next up is wheat. So wheat had a big down move today. The grain markets got sold off really heavy. All right. And we even hit the downside targets, which is the bottom of the Kumo cloud. So still have a bearish trend momentum reading. And we have a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading now for wheat. The bear market is attempting to reclaim the price action. I know it's weird, isn't it? It's just one of those things, man. So if you take a look here, you'll see how the market is, the bear market has now decided it's going to reclaim the price action. You had a bear market rally. The market was still in a position to see if it was going to run, but nah, it ran out of steam. When it lost the bullish trend momentum reading, it ran out of steam. So the bear market came and reclaimed the market. So that's what's what. Taking a look at soybeans, same thing, bearish trend momentum reading, except for this one is already an absolute free fall. And remember, I told you a few days ago that the market was headed back down here to that $13 a bushel. So here you go. All right. And it's still locked in. The bear market has reclaimed the price action in the grains. Next up, we got corn. Bearish trend momentum reading, crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. These grains are on their way to testing the 52-week lows. All right, here is silver. Silver has a bearish trend momentum reading. All right, you still are in a bull market. It's lost its bullish trend momentum reading. So until it regains it, you're in a sell the rally mode. And I know people will be trying to buy these dips and pullbacks, but for now, that's where you are. All right. You're in the sell, the rally mode. There's nothing you can do about that until the market decides to relock in. And you need this red line to turn green. Until it does, it's in the sell, the rally mode. Next up is nat gas. So nat gas is still neutralized and it's still in a bear market and it's still going nowhere. Next up is the Dow. So the Dow has just been, exploding and now we're neutralized. All right, but the market is still keeping a bullish bias because you still have a bullish trend momentum reading. So there's nothing's changed in that horizon. So what some people have been doing is still just holding on. Every little intraday pullback, they've been buying it. And I'm not mad at them. I mean, I understand why. but you are kind of neutralized here. You got a neutralization bar. So just have to wait and see what the market's going to do. But that's where we are right now. All right. Next up is the NASDAQ 100. NASDAQ 100 has a bearish trend momentum reading. Still in a bull market, though. It's just in a corrective state. And it's trying to decide what it wants to do. So you're in the sell the rally mode still. Every time the market rallies, it gets sold off. So after the end, ending the week on the rally mode, this is where you are right now. Is the market gearing up to? Is the trend about to reclaim the price action? Well, we still have a red line here. That's still a bearish trend momentum reading. Until that turns green, the market's still in the sell the rally mode. So it's not a whole lot you can do about that. Just be prepared. When you're in a bearish trend momentum reading, a big down move could just come at any moment. So just keep that in the back of your mind. Next up is gold. Gold still has a bearish trend momentum reading, but it's still in a bull market, but the market can't go anywhere. And we're waiting for the market to fulfill the crash alert that we got here. So this one is still under the crash alert watch. All right, for the downside. If it drops below 1900, that's a wrap. Next up is the S&P. S&P is wide open. You had a positive bot check on Friday, and today was a narrow range inside day. So that means an upward explosion is coming in the S&P 500. Next up is oil. Oil is still in a bullish trend momentum reading. The initial upside target is the $85 a barrel range. And so this one's still long and strong, still in a bear market retracement, bear market rally, and it's still wide open. Next up is the euro. Euro has a bearish trend momentum reading. I'm still expecting and anticipating a 108 handle on the horizon. Pound sterling, bearish trend momentum reading, still expecting a 125 handle on the horizon. Next up is the Aussie, bearish trend momentum reading. Now the market has dropped below the Kumo cloud and is in a free fall status. So this one's wide open. I did tell you that 66, it was coming back down to it. Now the market looks like it wants to go down to 64. Next up is the Russell, wide open. Just like the S&P 500, wide open. The market is running. Wants to get deeper into the 2000 handle. Let's see where it goes. Next up is copper. Copper is no longer neutralized, and it had a nice little rally today, getting over the $4 handle. Where might it run to? Possibly the 420 to 440 range is the upside initial target here. So this one is wide open to run. Looks like a bear market rally is in the making. Next up is Ethereum. Ethereum futures has a bearish trend momentum reading. I'm expecting more downside to come on this one too, as the market is in the sell the rally mode. All right, folks. That is all I got. Oh, I see you there, Loco, my man from the down under. Let me hook you up. I see you. Let me take care of you real quick. Just give me a second. I got you for my homies on the ASX. Here we go. Let's get you settled. Okay, Altman. All right, Altman is. Let's see what we got going on. All right, so Altman right now is in a bear market, and you have a bullish trend momentum reading. So you got a bear market rally going on here. You're pretty much at a resistance point right now. 8.5 cents is definitely going to be your initial upside target resistance zone. And I see you're already at the 8 cent level. But the old highs, if this thing can get above, stay above the Kumo cloud, the old highs back here at that dollar level is definitely doable. So I think it wants to run back up to the dollar. It looks like it wants to do a little something something. So definitely stick to the reports. I think the reports will really help you out as far as how to handle this. Definitely, use your protective stop. When you log into pulsewavetrading.com and you log into your dashboard, when you pull it up, what you're going to be looking for is your buy entries will be under the intraday column, and you're going to put your protective stop. You're going to use if there's something in the intraday sell column, you'll use that. If not, use the daily sell column as your trailing stop. So every day the report comes out, you move your stop based on the number in those two columns. All right. And if there's nothing in either the intraday or daily sell column, then you're going to use the weekly sell column as your protective stop. And you will continue to do that, move your stop to trail your position. All right. That's how you want to handle that in Ultimate and for any other securities on the ASX that you're buying. All right. Let's see. The next one you have here is S32. Okay. Yep. Get that up for you. All right. All right. So this one, a little bit different story. Doesn't look like it's quite ready yet. Still in a bear market. The last buy zone was back here during the bullish trend momentum reading, and it rallied up a bit. But then as soon as the red one came in, it was time to get out. Now it's trying to get back to another buy. You had a bullish trend momentum reading. If you got in somewhere around here, that's fine. But now you're hitting your head at the bottom of the Kumo cloud, and you just got neutralized. And then you also had this positive bot check. The market did have an upsurge here. So it's looking like it's trying to, continue to run here, but you're neutralized with a bullish trend momentum reading. So if you're already long the market, like I said, use the intraday sell column as your stop. If there's nothing there, then go to the daily. If there's nothing there, go to the weekly column, sell columns. That's how you use those as your protective stops when you are long equities and you have open positions. All right. And that's about it. So everyone, remember, the system works if you work the system. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Smash that like button. I'll holler back. Peace.